let's say I wanted to investigate if there is any relationship between the temperature and the sales of ice cream for a particular shop, and that this particular shop recorded the temperatures and the daily sales of ice cream. So when the maximum temperature reached 18, he sold for 150 JDs. When the temperature was 20, he sold for 160 JDs, up to a temperature of 31 degrees Celsius, where he had sales of 600 JDs. We can do this on the GDC as follows. We go to statistics again, and let's say we find data that we don't want, so we choose AC, all clear, and delete all lists, yes, okay, and we have a clear set of lists. We enter the data. Now, as far as we're concerned, temperature is the independent variable, so it's what we call X. So let's enter the temperatures: 18, 20, 23, 27, and 31. Moving over to list 2, for each value of X, we enter the corresponding value of Y, which is the sales: 150, 160, 210, 350, and 600. We go to setup with the tab button. Now, we don't want to calculate statistics here, we want to do something else, so we press OK. We want to draw a statistical graph, so we go down, and let's say we need to define graph 1. What type of graph is it? I want a scatter graph. Obviously I have other options, but you can explore that on your own. But for me, I want my X list is given in list 1, my Y list is in list 2. Obviously I can change that if I want. My frequencies are 1 for each data point. I can choose the mark type and the color. But for me, that's good enough. I have my X's and my Y's. So I execute. And it gives me something that is more or less linear. So if I want to check the results, and I want a linear regression that takes the form y equals ax plus b, I can do that. Y equals a plus bx makes no difference. They are exactly the same thing, but let's say I took ax plus b. It just tells me that a is 34, b is negative 520. The correlation coefficient is 0.95, so it's a very good correlation, and it's an indication that as the temperature increases, my sales increase, and this is a very strong positive correlation. And then I can go to see the graph, and it looks like so.